burn it down that area, I'm up now. Judges, guess what? When we come from but a Kingston, my band means not a weatherman, but come to develop a storm. Enough for carry on, I take the music out of hand, but me a go and wait my time. Tell the class we keep calm. Pick up the whole of G-Park and the whole of Jones Land. Come to set a pace and build a foundation. Vibes start and I'm a mentor, so I'm proud in my song. Me no want a bugger man, come make no controversial. More I'm free to get some tattoo from my skin. Buy some holy for cream and do some skin bleaching. When we check it out, that's just not my thing. Anyway, me love the dread gun and the smoking. Want to work a some better, I want to work a sting. Need some real big producer for do some writing. Have a lot of song, but still I get no reaction. And if they take, guess what, man? Guess what? My time, my time, my time, my time. So my time, me a wait my time. My time, my time, my time. So my time, me a wait my time. My time, my time, my time. So my time, me a wait my. Want to listen flowing. Guess what? Balance. What do call it? Some right, me just have street knowledge, and if I feel the vibes, would have made 10 tune a year. So when some artists are talk about them all at the street, just wait until rock numb and that's the name. Vibes cartel take the dance all to another stage. Put more when I come from some riches and my place. No man and no talent, so them image of them face. But the music thing gone to dog, it's a disgrace. Bob Marley say one love, it me embrace. But some man just too bad mind to give a youth praise. Give the youth to the talent, and I want bust the gate. Well, if youth just soon get a slice of the cake. Most of artists want to go some go start them bust here. Send the money on them, stand and get them on the earway. Lyrically speaking. Hold on. Why you again? Guess what? Tell me. My time, my time, my time, my time.